Even before the vote was taken, the result was never in doubt.
The draft resolution has not been adopted.
Well short of the 9 votes needed to pass, which would have seen the trial of Kenyan President Kenyatta before the International Criminal Court deferred for 1 year. The block of abstention votes was strategic, signalling a willingness to work with Kenya on the issue without an outright rejection of the resolution. For many African countries, the result was an unacceptable betrayal.
Let it be written today in history that the Security Council failed Kenya and Africa on this issue.
We feel this is a manifestation of lack of trust in Africa, and we are very disappointed.
While expressing support for Kenya as an ally, many Western countries resented being cast as anti-African villains.
We are disappointed that this draft resolution has been unnecessarily put to a vote in a way which highlights disagreements within the Council.
We find this position frankly offensive, given our long and proven solidarity with all sister developing nations.
Kenyatta and his Deputy President Ruto have been charged over Kenya's post-election violence in 2008. More than 1,300 people were killed. Both men deny the charges. Ruto's trial at the ICC has already begun, but African nations say his and Kenyatta's attention should be on peace and security in the region, especially following the mall siege in Nairobi in September. From African UN ambassadors, strong language with warnings of consequences.
Kenya will not forget. Africa will not forget. For many of us, our business here is done.
Kenya and supporting African nations can take their grievances to the Assembly of State Parties at The Hague next week. The Assembly of State Parties does not have the power to defer Kenyatta's trial, but it is a forum for talks and could lead to concessions or amendments. But this UN Security Council vote has created an us and them mentality, and that could be hard to overcome. Cath, Al Jazeera at the United Nations, New York.